for the seed to be. I don't want to do coloring.
Done something else.
Mom, can you put
Meron pa naman siguro mga 10 minutes bago to aalis. Hindi naman agad-agad din umaalis yung... Mary Poppins. Mary Poppins. Mary Poppins.
This is something very poppins. Look.
This is raining now. You need a coat, Jenny.
I don't need raincoat because I got umbrella.
You're going to need it. It's going to be cold.
I like the earrings.
$12:45 in the morning. Okay.
Here's our last thing here. The milk from the TT. They got the milk from the TT. The cow's milk come from the TT. Right.
Yes, baka struggling na to. Struggling.
The milk came from cows by the TT.
Yeah.
The TT, so you squeeze the TT and then milk comes inside.
Yeah. Like how you have my milk.
Oh yeah.
How you get my milk before.
Yeah. Like a massage. That's the way. Like a bottle. P-O-B-O-P. Now we go to B-O-B. So we will dig out. For the seed to be.
That is Lumabas na kami, bumalik na naman kami dito kasi si Mr. nagbabayad ng parking, tapos wala kaming, yung coins namin not enough. Maraming coins sa bahay. Hindi naman na marami, pero yeah, may coins kami doon ba. Kaunti lang din yung nadala ko, it's not enough nga. Subutin nilang meron akong, dyan sa likod ng phone ko, meron akong 10 pounds. So yun din nila ni Mr. kasi magpapabarya yun siya, or ting bibili na lang ng something. Di ko alam kung ano yun.
Guys, taking for ages.
Alam mo mga
Ages,
kachikan,
Lisa. Just like
alam mo meron akong ganito,
10
blue
seconds
card.
ago.
Mm,
5 seconds
blue light card. Yung gaya sa akin na nagtatrabaho ako sa care. Meron kaming mga ano ito, pero hindi ko siya nagamit.
Can you see this plus? Can I try?
Parang pag bibili ka sa mga shops, meron siyang
Please.
meron kang 10%, 20% off, depende. Tapos sa mga restaurant din meron pa. Pero hindi pa nga siya talaga siya ko pa nagamit. May app din ako dyan sa
You're so
phone.
rude, Lisa. I'm just trying to wear the.
What's that?
I'm just trying to wear the glasses.
Need to wear, Lisa.
And then just,
I did not
like,
try
take
it,
off. I'm just wearing it. This is so fun. It's so high, you know. It's so nice. It's tall. And that's high. It's so high. What, you want to do it like this? I'm done. Your turn. Go stop.
May look at the sky, Daddy. Dark.
Does not look good. Daddy's right. Let's go. That's the water pipes, I think.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Oh.
South Devon Railway.
Hello.
Nilalamig ako pag ano lang ako, cardigan ng mga kachika. Buti na lang pinilit pa ako ni Mr. kanina na magdala ako ng raincoat. Sabi ko hindi na. Kasi pag uulan, may payong naman. Sabi niya, you need to bring down your raincoat.
It's like
It's a duck.
that cool sack now.
Duckle sand.
Yeah. It looks like that.
Buti na lang. Yan. Kasi malamig.
Look at this sea. So beautiful.
Lamigin na tayo mga kachika. Sumachanda na. There's a lot of ducks there, oh.
I think you're a seagull.
Seagulls and ducks.
This way. Oh, we have 50 hours to get here. Come on. Let's go. This is the hat I almost gave to Lisa.
Oh, wait, the train. Train.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello.
No, it's not that one.
Mom, look this
My
side.
God, big.
Devon. You have to get past. This is Devon. This is the Devon.
Turn up. Maambon na. Uulan talaga to. It's not there, the train yet, Daddy. Where's Daddy? Inside?
No.
We just made it. Ang lakas ng ulan.
What's the old, children, the carriages are old. Hmm?
It's slow. It's slow.
No, later.
Daddy?
Okay. Sure.
Snap.
Where?
Welcome to the Southern Railway.
You have all the
With the times open and serving fresh and coffee, reception local teas, hot chocolate, soft drinks, local food.
I don't want to do coloring.
done something else.
Hmm.
Mom, can you put the back? You're slow, right?
We're moving.
Okay, you guys want before the coloring.
Is that your face?
Alright, don't play, Mama. Don't play. What type of bag Elisa
Handbag. Handbag.
What type of bag Elisa has?
Hello Kitty. Bag.
Yes.
Ay, nakay. Alila. Yeah, okay.
Oh my god.
You need to hold my hands, please.
It's so good. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh. What I'll do. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah. Lisa, what's where you going, babe?
Oh my gosh. This is steep stairs.
Lisa, stop. Stop, Lisa.
This is always steep stairs. So it's careful. Yay. Just I'm not doing two. 5. Only 5.
This way.
This way. Before you go down there, up here. I'm good, guys. Before you go splash down. Hello, Daddy. Hi. Daddy, hello. Yes, hi.
It's me, Lisa. kachika, oh. Ganyan. Tapos, ganyan.
That's
Here, Lisa,
small.
there, Lisa.
I can see it.
See it now, Sa?
Yeah. She going down his house.
Wait for Daddy.
Let's go down.
Moving. Why? They're friendly. They're friendly. And turtle. Oh.
Oh, right, have you seen any frogs?
Frogs, I think this
Yeah.
side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Mm. Wow, look at that on the top.
Oh, piggyback ride. Piggyback ride.
I want to touch one. I want to hold this.
She want to hold my phone.
I want to hold. We're going to go in this way, in this.
Okay. Ang dami mga kachika, oh. Mm. Ang dami dito. Butterfly farm. Sa Pilipinas na parang wala na, aywan ko, sa probinsya namin parang wala ka nang gaanong nakikitang butterfly. Pero baka sa amin lang banda.
Daddy's finger.
Which one?
That.
The bigger one?
Yeah, sama.
Ang ganda po. Yabo-yab ni Alina. Oh.
To be my finger.
Okay, you try. Don't jump. So if you jump, then be scared. This is the one.
Yeah, I want to grab it, grab it.
Come on.
What do you think that? Is it hurting
Ah.
you?
No, it's not. It's not hurt. It's just light. Don't jump, please. No, see?
Take it like
Yeah.
Yeah, you see?
Oh.
It is.
Let's
Give
make
it
it
a
soft.
shot. Give it a shot.
Give it to my finger. No, do it okay. Come on, come on. Come on, we go.
So you see that thing?
Hey, come on. Right, guys. Now, you have to get ready. You have to wait for me.
This way, Lisa.
Alright, guys. Now, we have to... Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We have to...
Pauwi na kami mga kachika. Pinuntahan kami doon sa likod ba. Nag-ano kami nagkapi. Tapos nag-juice yung mga bata. Hindi mo man si Mr. Kaya nabili si Mr. na laruan ni Alina. Bidon mo ba
Outside.
laruan ni Alina na nasira agad so pinapalitan niya. Meron pa naman siguro mga 10 minutes bago to aalis. Hindi naman agad-agad din umaalis yung train.
I have...
Yeah, because
Oh,
if you leave
yeah, I
that,
spy.
as I understand it,
Something
that
beginning
if you've got
with...
left that on, when you turn off the main light, that goes on as well. Yeah, but, yeah, but we never
Check. The stop. Check.
See the rest of it.
Yeah.
Just relax.
Sit down. You know. Oh, sorry.
Meron namin nag-i-steam. 8:30 na pala. Sali na nag-i-steam pa. Meron pa din. Yung punda namin to before, oh, inano ko siya. Tinabas ba? Kasi manipis na. Okay din, natuyo na din yan. Hindi na overtired yata sa namin ngayon. O kanina ba? Nag-enjoy naman sila. Mga bata. Linis na tuloy ako dito ngayon. Kasi marami siyang kahit kupit yung window. Nag-steam. Ang buhok ko. Palilinis ko lang ito na yung isang araw. Dito na naman. Akin to kasi mahaba. Pupunta din ako sa baba kasi nag-okay na si Mr. ng pizza. Pero kumain na ako eh. Kasi nag-adobo ako yung pinaksiw ko yung alam mo yun yung ulam namin kagabi, diba? Yung roast pork. Kaya yun yung nilang ko kaya na inadobo ko habang nagluluto si Mr. ng pizza.